Do you enjoy a good glass of wine? 25 creative ideas to build your own unique wine rack. Do you enjoy spending evenings with a glass of good wine? It may be nothing special to some, but for others, it's a tradition. If you belong to the latter group, you'll love exploring how to build your own unique mini wine rack. Now is the time to test your skills. Can you make such stands at home by yourself? You'll surely agree that it's not difficult at all to embark on such a DIY project. Perhaps thanks to these ideas we've gathered for you, take a look at them with us and get inspired on how to easily create an addition to your living room or kitchen. And if you happen to have any empty, nicely shaped bottles left, see what else could be made from them.